Hi friends, welcome back to another unboxing video by Gothic Footwear Australia. Today we have the CREEPER-108 in black patent fake leather by Demonia. Now as you can see here, these shoes come in these little individual dust bags. So here we have the first shoe for you, and as you can see, these ones have a cute little cutout heart design which has got these little studs all around the heart. We've got the Demonia logo on the bottom of the Creeper sole, and the shoe is in a shiny patent finish. So a lot of the smaller shoe designs come with this additional little storage bag. And now I'll just get the second shoe out. And as you can see, it's got that really nice shiny black patent finish. And we've also got the metal D-ring shoelace hooks. The unfortunate thing about these shoes is that they are no longer in production. They are now discontinued, as well as the red version. However, the red still has most sizes available for you to purchase. So there you have it. Let us know what you think in the comments and what styles you would like to see next.